Hello everyone. The online tool that I would like to demonstrate using is a mind mapping or concept mapping tool known as Cmap. Concept maps are drawings or diagrams that are used to organize and represent knowledge. It consists of a central concept from which many other interlinked concepts and ideas are branched out. There can be many uses of concept mapping in education. Some of them can be, for example, as a brainstorming activity that will encourage deeper learning. It can also be used as a tool for summarizing notes and as a tool for understanding connection between different ideas. This concept mapping tool, Cmap in particular, it can be used for constructing, sharing and collaborating in the building of a concept map. To access this concept map, you can go to the homepage of Center for Learning and Performance Technologies. From there you can go to Tools directory, and under Personal and Professional Tools you can click on the Mind Mapping Tool link. So here there are many concept mapping tools available. We can click on Cmap. First time users, they have to register for this Cmap, and once registered you can log in and have access to this Cmap tools. This tool is designed to be used online and also offline. For offline users, you can download these Cmap tools on your PC, and concept mapping that is made here can be sent to the cloud for sharing. And for online users, you can directly create your concept maps online, that is via a concept mapping tool created in the cloud. So we can use the second one, that is using concept mapping built online. So users who have registered, you can go to Get Started and start building your concept map from here. Right, so I've created some of them initially, and you can go to New Concept Maps and double click to create a concept, and you will see a box appear with the arrows, and that can become your central idea. For example, we can build a concept map of the uses of technology in education. Okay, so let's type our central concept here: uses of technology in education. To make connections, we can click on this central concept and then click on these arrows, which will create links. And let's have links here. First one, we can have communicate. And the idea that it connects to, we can have here chat and video conferencing. Right, so we can see that we can use technology in education to communicate via chat and video conferencing. And we can create another link, go to the central idea, and then from there we can create another arrow. Let's have here searches. So technology in education allows us to search, right? So search is our linking word here. To search, for example, we can search for information on a database, and one example of a search engine is Google. We can also build a connection between these concepts. For example, I can link this concept together with the database, and then I can choose a word here that links these two together. So I have created this earlier. You can go to this Cmap resources, and under this education folder you can see that here is a concept map that shows the uses of technology in education. So one drawback of this Cmap tool is you can't share a file directly. You have to place the files in folders. So that is what I've done here. If you go back to this home, you can see there's a folder named education. Clicking on that, you can share this folder in two ways. First, you can go to this Cmappers. You can see that I haven't shared it with anyone yet. There will be a list of names here I can share with. So what I can do is I can just drag and drop this folder to different person I want to share to. So that is one way of sharing, and the users that I share to can log on via this tool, and then they can see what I have shared. And the other way is looking at actions, and then you can share, add, and here you can share in two ways. You can list the name of Cmappers that you are connected to, and also add the names of people, the emails of people that you want to share to. Okay, for example, if I want to share to an email, and you can also change permission. That is, you can allow your viewers to only Cmappers only to view, and also you can allow your Cmappers only to view and edit changes here. Click on share, then this information is shared. You can see. Also, you can include diagrams and other resources which are part of the concept map. You can go to this view folder that is in your tools that you have downloaded in your PC, and you can see that there's two things. You have Cmap in my computer that you can create offline, and Cmap in the cloud. And if you click on Cmap in the cloud, you can access this folder that you have made in your cloud. Right, so this was the folder that I made in my cloud, and from here if I want to add resources, for example, if I want to add a diagram, I can go to add resources from this view folder and click on add resources. and from there you can choose a folder or file and pick a file that you want to add to your concept map. Okay, for example, I want to add this diagram to my concept map. I will click on it and press add, and that will prompt me to another window that says edit resources property. From here you have to resize your image because you only need a small amount of small image to fit in your concept map. So you can go to crop and resize, and maybe I want to pick the smallest one, that is 64 by 64, and then click OK. Right, so it has added this image in my cloud folder, and what I can do simply is I can just drag and drop this folder into my concept map, and I will have my image that is created there. Right, so these are the many uses of concept map, and once done you can exit, and this will save this concept map in your cloud folder.